I'm Chip. Welcome to my channel where I show you how to repair washers and dryers and how to start and run a successful appliance repair business. In a previous video, I discussed the absolute best washing machine that you can buy this year by comparing the Speed Queen TC5 and the DR7 model washing machines. Now I'm back with a companion video to help you choose the perfect dryer to go along with these popular models. Today we'll be comparing the Speed Queen DR7 and the DC5 dryers. They are two of the most popular household models from this reputable brand. So let's dive right in and find which is the best clothes dryer for you. Now the Speed Queen DR7 is a sanitizing electric dryer, and you can get gas models of these too. It features something called PET Plus technology. It has steam options, overdrive protection, and it's Energy Star certified. And it has a generous 7-year warranty. This model is perfect for pet owners. It offers a special pet cycle that includes pet hair removal to ensure the best care possible for both you and your furry friend's items. The DR7's steam refresh feature is perfect for those mornings when you need to look and smell your best in a hurry. Wrinkles, static, and bacteria don't stand a chance with the DR7's steam boost and sanitize options. This dryer is also equipped with the overdrive protection technology and commercial cool down technology, which help protect your clothes from unnecessary wear and tear. Now I will say here that most competitive brands have these features as well. Now all the overdrive feature does is sense the moisture content of your load by reading the continuity of moist clothing as it wipes over two metal strips inside the dryer's drum. And it will shut down the cycle if no moisture is detected. And the cool down technology just shuts off the element heat a few minutes before the end of the cycle. But hey, you can't blame Speed Queen for promoting these features as something special. Additional features of the DR7 include a reversible door for installation flexibility. This is clever because everybody's laundry room isn't the same, and having to drag wet clothes over the top of the dryer door to load the thing is a pain. This way you can have your dealer configure the direction your dryer's door opens so that loading it from your washer is going to be a lot easier. This dryer also has an extended tumble setting to prevent wrinkles. One of the best things the Speed Queen offers its customers is their warranties. These are simply going to be the best warranties the industry has, and they cover not only parts but in-home labor too. The DC7's long-lasting reliability and value can be traced back to the Speed Queen's 110-year history of producing quality products right here in the United States, in Ripon, Wisconsin. Now the DC5 is a step down from the DR7, but it's also a reliable and efficient dryer that not only dries, but also serves as an effective tool for killing bacteria. In fact, Speed Queen claims that 99.9% of all bacteria don't survive a trip through their washers and dryers. And this model comes with a 5-year warranty, and it also has a reversible door for installation flexibility. And like the DR7, the DC5 also has an extended tumble setting to help prevent wrinkles when you forget your laundry in the dryer. And the DC5's reliability is backed by Speed Queen's century-long history and the numerous positive reviews from national publications, organizations, and magazines. And by me, a qualified service technician who believes that compared to all other models made in the United States and sold in the United States, these machines are going to give you the least trouble over their very long service life. Now, Speed Queen is renowned for their exceptional quality of materials that they use in constructing their machines. Both the DR7 and DC5 feature stainless steel tubs, powerful motors, and robust electrical and electronics. Speed Queen puts their machines through rigorous tests to ensure that they have a long life, even families who do 8 loads of laundry per week. In fact, Speed Queen machines are designed to last for 25 years, or 10,400 cycles. And to test the durability of their tubs, they've even filled the machines with giant rolls of duct tape and ran them continuously, or at least until those poor quality control technicians couldn't stand the noise anymore. Now this kind of commitment to durability that is what sets Speed Queen apart from their competition. Speed Queen also offers an optional shoe rack that allows you to safely dry your tennis shoes in your dryer without causing damage to the shoes or the dryer. Now, whoever dreamed this device up needs to get a big raise. I don't know how many times I've had to hear clamor of drying tennis shoes when my favorite TV show was on and my wife was doing her laundry. This practical accessory can be a great addition to your laundry routine. So if you're a pet owner or someone who values the additional features like steam refresh, steam sanitize, and anti-static options, the DR7 is likely going to be a better choice for you. It's a 7-year warranty and the Energy Star certification making an excellent long-term investment for anyone seeking a high-quality and efficient dryer. Now, on the other hand, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that still offers the same reliability and durability that Speed Queen is known for, the DC5 is a great alternative. It has that 5-year warranty and a reversible door for installation flexibility. You'll still enjoy the benefits of a dependable dryer without some of the extra features found on the DR7. Ultimately, the decision between the Speed Queen DR7 and the DC5 is going to come down to your personal preferences, your needs, and your budget. But both dryers are built with the same exceptional quality and durability that Speed Queen is known for, so you can't go wrong with either choice. I hope this comparison has been helpful in guiding you toward the best clothes dryer for your home. Thanks for watching my video, and if you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more washer and dryer tips, tricks, and repair guides. Check us out.